Starting August 8th, Maine residents who are 65 and older will have the opportunity to freeze their future property tax rates at the current level. Known as the Property Tax Stability Program, the Act intends to stabilize property taxes for senior citizens who have owned a home for at least 10 years. The bill was sponsored by Aroostook Senator Trey Stewart, who says he felt like seniors in the state living off fixed incomes should not have to worry about whether they can afford their taxes.
Most of the time they're on fixed incomes, and those incomes don't keep up with the rising cost of everything. Social Security might go up a few bucks a year, but as we're seeing right now with inflation and other increasing costs, including in some cases property taxes, and that can be a really big burden.
Besides the age requirement in owning a property for at least a decade, seniors must also meet other requirements for the exemption. Once approved, eligible homeowners who sell their property can transfer the set tax level to another property anywhere in the state. For senior citizens like Richard Smith, the bill would allow him to stay in his home.
If property taxes keeps going up, I may not be able to afford to live here. I may have to move into a old folks home, an apartment building somewhere.
Comments like these are why Stewart made this bill a top priority.
What the law says now is that going forward, your rate will be fixed at whatever year you go in as early as this year. And in theory, if you apply before the end of this year with your local community, you can freeze what your actual dollar amount is that you owe to that locality, and to really target it towards senior citizens in Maine, and particularly those folks that might be struggling.
Matthew Juroncic, ABC7, Fox 22.